In this video, I'll show you how to fix a smart TV that won't connect to Wi-Fi so you can get back to streaming without interruptions. This is a common issue many people face. The TV either shows no network found or it keeps disconnecting even though other devices work fine. Method 1. Restart your devices. Turn off your smart TV and unplug it for 1 minute. Restart your Wi-Fi router as well. Plug the TV back in, then try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. Method 2. Reconnect to the network. Go to your TV's settings, then Network and Wi-Fi. Forget the current Wi-Fi network. Reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. Method 3. Check your router's settings. Make sure your router isn't blocking the TV. Place the TV closer to the router or use a 2.4 GHz network for better stability. Method 4. Update your TV's software. Go to Settings, then Support, then Software Update. Install the latest firmware. Outdated software can cause connection issues. Method 5. Use an Ethernet cable. If Wi-Fi still doesn't work, connect your TV directly to the router with the LAN cable for a more stable connection. Important notes. Always double-check that you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Some TVs need both the router and TV firmware updated for Wi-Fi to work properly. If nothing works, try resetting your TV's network settings to default. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more smart TV fixes and tips.